If you want to learn how to download a Chrome extension quickly and safely, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find the official Chrome Web Store, search for the extension you need, and install it in just a few clicks. This is a super simple process, but if you've never done it before, this guide will make it easy. And before we jump in, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're using the Chrome browser because extensions are installed through Chrome's built-in extension system. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps a lot of important settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, find Extensions. When you hover over it or click it, you should see an option to visit the Chrome Web Store. Click that and it will open the official extension store. This is the safest place to download Chrome extensions because you can browse verified tools directly from Google's marketplace. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top to find the extension you want. For example, you could type something like AdBlock, Password Manager, Screen Recorder, Productivity Tool, or any other extension you need. After you search, browse the results and click the extension that matches what you're looking for. Make sure you check the name, rating, and description so you know it's the correct one. Once you've opened the extension page, look for the Add to Chrome button. Click it to begin the installation process. Chrome will then show a confirmation pop-up asking for permissions. This is where you can review what the extension will be able to access or change in your browser. If everything looks good and you trust the extension, click Add Extension to confirm. After that, Chrome will automatically download and install it for you. In just a moment, the extension will be ready to use in your browser toolbar or extension menu. If you ever want to manage your extensions later, you can go back to the Extensions section in Chrome and turn them on, turn them off, or remove them whenever you want. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to download a Chrome extension the right way, using the official Chrome Web Store. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.